Hello and welcome back to my channel Tongue to Tummy. This is Ritika and today I am going to show you how to make stir-fried vegetables. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started and check out the recipe.
Vegetables are rich in nutrients which includes potassium, fiber, folic acid and vitamin A and C. This is a very healthy dish. You can have it a bowl full of stir-fried vegetables at any time you want. And I'm sure children are going to love eating vegetables if you prepare it like this. For this I have taken 1 cup of beans, 1 cup of cabbage chopped, 3 to 4 baby corn slitted, 6 to 7 chopped mushrooms, 1 cup capsicum cut into cubes, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 cup carrot sliced, 7 to 9 broccoli florets, 1 tablespoon pepper powder, 2 tablespoon oyster sauce, 7 to 9 cauliflower florets, 5 to 6 small sized onions cubed, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, salt, ginger garlic chopped, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. At first I will roast the sesame seeds on low flame so that it doesn't get burned. Roast it till the color slightly changes to light brown. Now I will fill the pan with water enough for the vegetables to be fully soaked into it. When the water starts boiling, add the salt into it. Now start adding the vegetables one by one. Here I am adding the carrots because it takes longer time than any other vegetables. Cover the lid and boil it for about 2 minutes. Now take off the lid and goes into it the broccoli and the cauliflower and blanch it for another minute. Put the flame off and take out the veggies properly and then strain the water using a strainer. Now I am transferring the vegetables into a bowl of iced water. This immediately stops the cooking procedure and helps to retain the color, flavor and texture. Heat oil, add chopped ginger and garlic, saute about a minute and then add the onions. Now start adding the veggies. Here I have used 3 types of capsicum to make the dish look colorful, but you can only use the green one. Then goes into it the blanched vegetables, beans, mushrooms and slitted baby corns. Then goes the soya sauce, oyster sauce, pepper powder and salt. As all the sauces I used contains a bit of salt in it, so keep it in mind while adding it. Give it a good stir in between. Toss everything well until all the spices gets absorbed into the vegetables. Lastly goes into it the cabbage. I have used this at this point of time to maintain its crunch. Mix it well. Now as you can see the vegetables have become tender. I will add the cornstarch into 3 tablespoons of water. Make sure there is no lump left. Toss it again for a minute or so until it becomes moist and ready. Keep stirring again. It is now perfectly ready to serve. Sprinkle some sesame seeds for garnishing. Thank you for watching my video. I will share more recipes with you. So until then, stay healthy and happy.